Hello supermobile fans, happy day to you all. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for your continuous support towards this channel. Let us wash our hands and stay safe as much as possible. We shall overcome soon. One love. It's about time that Infinix launches the Smart 5 series to the market. The Infinix Smart series has always been a junior brother to the Infinix Hot Series, and this year is no different as the Smart 5 will be taking its design model from the Hot 9 and Hot 9 Play. The leaks and rumors of the Infinix Smart 5 are still in the early stage, and I only have few official specifications, while the rest are my predictions based on Infinix History. We'll get to the official specifications in a minute, but first, let me tell you my predicted unofficial specifications. Based on the Infinix Hot 9 Play and Smart 4, I believe the Smart 5 will have a display size between 6.6 to 7 inches with a 1280 by 720p HD Plus screen resolution. I also believe Infinix will be using a water drop notch for the Smart 5 Lite like the Hot 9 Play and a punch hole notch for the Smart 5 like the Hot 9. As for the cameras, the Smart 5 will be coming officially with a triple rear camera setup, but there are two possibilities, which are 13+2 plus QVGA megapixel rear camera with a 5 megapixel selfie camera, or it may be an 8+2 plus QVGA megapixel rear cameras and an upgraded 8 megapixel selfie camera. As for the Smart 5 Lite, there's only one possibility, which is 8 plus QVGA megapixel rear cameras and 5 megapixel selfie camera. Let me know your opinions on these possibilities in the comment section below. As for the official specifications, there will be Android 10 software upgrade with the latest XOS 6 UI for both models. There's also a battery upgrade to 5000 mAh with 10W micro USB charging for both. As for the processors, RAM and storage, the Smart 5 will retain the same Helio A22 quad-core chipset with a 2GB RAM and 32GB storage like in the Smart 4. Unfortunately, the Smart 5 Lite will be using the ancient MediaTek 6580 quad-core processor like in the Smart 2 with a 2GB RAM upgrade and 32GB storage. I am glad that Infinix has gotten rid of the 1GB RAM smartphones thanks to the Android 10 software requirements. Other specifications include fingerprint sensor, 4G LTE, triple card slot and Bluetooth 4.0. There is no news on the pricing yet, but it is expected to be close to the Hot 9 Play price, which is between 30,000 naira to 40,000 naira. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you guys think about the official specifications and my predictions. The most important information to me is the 5000 mAh battery upgrade. Kindly remember to take all this information with a pinch of salt, as the final official version might be different. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see my next official update on the Smart 5 design and other devices. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble, stay safe, bye.